There's no stuffing.
Driving it down gravel roads too fast, I guess.
He had to just put it in the ditch on the
Hi,
ground.
what you doing, mijo?
That car behaves.
Are you helping Daddy? Are you working on the car?
Yep, my boy.
I know about the can. The one other piece I want to.
Yeah, the skirts, the wheels and the bumpers, music cars are on those. Like
That would
Rough Rider's trying to upgrade his Baja.
Oh yeah.
So he was asking about the exhaust. So he's got first dibs on that. If it's not an HKS, then I'm not gonna be able to trade it for more of them.
You still going after that Borla?
Yes.
I'm going after any sort of can right now because, my goodness.
It'll bolt up.
Mine's welded.
Yeah, Flowmaster
I have a hacksaw.
Flowmaster welds some stuff.
I have a hacksaw and they sell welders up at Lowe's for
3-inch.
shit. They're $150, man.
Hacksaw, you've got a Sawzall.
I got a
Cheap on us.
I got a Sawzall and actually
Wonder what size that
Harbor
is.
Freight is selling a welder because I can't get mine back from Adrian for like 119 and it's the same damn welder I had.
Is that cool, Mac? Do you like working on the cars?
It was a Century. It was just a wire feed welder.
What's that, a little body shop?
I have to go to this. He used to work for me. Well, I don't know.
Yeah? Did you fix it? You hammer?
You have a Nissan 240?
No.
Good job hammering. I love your hammering.
Toyota Hybrid.
Research not in there, too? Different Adrian. Is your Adrian a squirrel?
Squirrel?
Yeah. Can you borrow something and not bring it back?
The trunk ain't going down.
Hey, Lord?
No, it's 4 or 5 inches off on the back.
Well,
It tells me the frame is
wait,
shifted.
come out. You haven't put 260 pounds of fat ass on it.
No, look.
That's someone to take
You're gonna
Never
miss
mind.
the fenders.
Good job, Max. You did a great job.
Yeah, that's
It's awesome to pick this
Well, I was
truck
thinking
off.
if he's washing it out here, she's trying to keep the water out of it. It's not gonna really matter.
no, I'll go with it.
Alright,
Hey.
yeah, I'll give you the
That
whole
third
fucking,
brake light?
I'll give you the whole fucking thing.
I just want the
Yeah.
Good job, Max.